So Nicky will join me from here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Morning, बहुत दिनों बाद.
ये हवा का मैं कैमरा दर से देखो.
पीछे वाला?
हाँ.
के तो नहीं लग रहा, हाथ लगाओ क्या?
नहीं.
So अभी हुआ है 6:30 के आसपास roughly, and we are in Bhinder East, which is near to Mumbai. I mean, people who don't know me, I mean, from where we are. So currently we are heading to SL World, towards SL World, sorry, Gorai Marori. It's about 15 to 20 kilometers one way, and we are planning to do about 40 to 50 kilometers return ride today.
It sound right, boys.
So the lights, abhi, I think they have recently installed the lights. Otherwise, this section used to be very dark. So this is a good move. So currently, ये जो section है ये steepest है. This is the steepest section of this small climb. And top of that, there is this curve as well. Broad कर रहे road अभी, which will be good. Ah. This is a good workout. Yeah. And we are blessed actually because this is located like literally 8 kilometers from our place. So forget about cycling. Even if you are a runner, this gives you a good workout. Less polluted, less traffic early mornings. Even if you come evening, weekends अगर exclude कर दो तो it's still not busy, which becomes
It sound right, boys.
good for cycling and running. And that's why I never ride towards Mumbai side. Highway say okay, it doesn't make sense at all. It's like navigating from point A to point B in heavy traffic. So entire purpose of cycling defy हो जाता है. Like यहाँ पे see, look, it's very natural, breathable. Not 100% pure air, but definitely 10 times better than what it is on the highways. So you'll see a lot of like cyclists here. Morning. Hi, Gagan, hi. So this guy used to stay in Mira Road couple of years back. Then he shifted to Canada. He came back and now he lives in Dahisar, which is like 5 to 10 kilometers from my place. So we were part of one same group. But that doesn't matter. Group से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Ride कर रहा है वो, that's important. This is a nice downhill. So I had a big crash in 2020. 1st January 2020, I had a big fall here, which landed me directly into hospital. So there was a big pothole. अभी भी है वो pothole वहाँ पे. Imagine 6 years later. But anyways, just focus on the positive thing. Now they have improved the quality of this road quite a bit. Chalo. This is also newly built road. पहले ये off-road हुआ करता था.
But this is also a very beautiful.
Yeah, this is very beautiful stretch. This will end up on the same beach, Gorai beach. Only thing is we are entering the beach from the other side and we'll exit it from the other side. So we will take a left from here. Darya Kinara is a famous resort for weekend getaways. I don't know where this road goes to. So it's literally no one out here.
This is semi off-roading.
This is what I was talking about earlier. So they have partially constructed the good road. But still, this is not that bad. But are not recommended for hybrid and road bikes. This is all downhill, gradual downhill. This is leading up to Gorai Beach. Yeah, how beautiful this is. These are all private properties on my right, so do not trespass ever. I'm feeling a pain in my back. Maybe the handle height I have not adjusted. So normally when I fold the cycle, I lower down the handle, and then I fold it. So this morning when I unfolded the bike, I forgot to bring up the handle. So it has created this kind of geometry right now, which is putting stress on my lower back, right side. So what I'll have to do is, there are two things. Either I lower down my saddle height, which I will not, because instead I have to bring up the handle so that the geometry becomes slightly flat. Gorai Beach chalna hai idhar? So this goes towards Lighthouse, Uttan, and this lane will take you to Gorai Beach. एक ज़माने में ये बीच इतना क्लीन हुआ करता था जब लोग आते नहीं थे यहाँ पे, 10 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. बट नाउ यू विल सी ऑल अल्कोहल बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक रैपर्स एंड ऑल. फिल्दी. अभी तो फिर भी अच्छा है. इवनिंग यू कम संडे तो पूरा कचरा ही दिखेगा यहाँ पे. चाय वाला नहीं है, जहाँ पे दिखेगा उधर रुक जाएंगे.
Now our next target is chai wala.
चाय वाला.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Chai wala or narak pani wala, whatever wala.
So once we exit from this lane on the main road, we take a right, and on the right where the road ends again, there is this tea stall which is known as Peter's Corner Chai Wala. So he serves good tea, and we have been visiting him since past 15 years. Slightly foggy as well, not very cold, but you can still feel that winter's chalu hai.
Boys.
Take a ride from here. This is a tea stop. This place is known as Peter's Corner. हाँ, सो अभी मैंने हैंडल ऊपर कर लिया सो दैट मेरा बैक पेन अभी नाउ दिस इज कंफर्टेबल. हैंडल बार मैंने ऊपर ले लिया थोड़ा. सन इज अबाउट टू राइज सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दैट, क्या ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है सामने का. या हाँ जेटी. या इट इज इंडीड ऑपरेशनल बिकॉज टिकट काउंटर पे भी बैठे हैं लोग. बस यहाँ तक ही जा सकते हैं, बस यहाँ से ही जाए रिटर्न. चालू है ना. Yeah, so this jetty basically, if you take the ferry from here, you cross over to Borivali West. Similarly, there is another jetty about 5 kilometers from here that if you cross, it will take you to Malad.
When this entire stretch was how much kilometer? 2 kilometers?
चाय वाले से यहाँ तक 3.5 kilometers.
3.5 kilometers.
So we are returning Gorai jetty से U-turn लेके. Now we are going back home. Ideally plan was to go to Pagoda as well, but निकी का जो रेयर टायर है, टायर प्रेशर एयर प्रेशर कम हो गया है. So he is struggling a bit to ride fast, and before it gets flat, we thought we should return back. Normally मैं एयर पम्प कैरी करता हूँ मेरे साथ. Today I forgot to carry the air pump, otherwise I would have filled it, but that's okay. So even आज का राइड हो जाएगा 36-37 किलोमीटर्स हो जाएगा बाय द टाइम आई रीच होम. और रास्ते में अगर कोई शॉप मिलता है तो ही विल रिफिल इट सो दैट इट ब्रिंग्स बैक द प्रेशर क्लोज टू 60-65 PSI. सो एक पीछे शॉप था साइकिल का, बट वो बंद है ऑब्वियसली. अभी टाइम क्या हुआ पता नहीं. 8 AM एग्जैक्टली, 8 बजे अभी.
Great going, guys.
Thank you. You too.
This is a nice downhill. First time when I did this downhill, I literally crashed. Because that was my first time and I didn't know it is such a steep downhill, because I had came all the way from Borivali, ferry क्रॉस करके आया था मैं, तो मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था कि यहाँ पे क्लाइंब है. तो मैं फुल स्पीड जा रहा था और मेरे आगे एक स्कॉर्पियो या टाटा सुमो था. उसने अचानक ब्रेक मारा यहाँ पे एंड आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी फास्ट. और ये सीधा सामने जो दिख रहा है ना, ये ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पे, उधर आई जस्ट क्रैश्ड. एक दिन पुराना साइकिल था, पूरा मेरा रिम जो है बेंड. हाँ एक्चुअली डाउनहिल में फुल स्पीड से है क्योंकि मेरे पीछे पुलिस वाला था. तो वो मेरे को ठोक ना पाए, इसलिए मैं सोचा जल्दी से मैं क्रॉस कर दूँ.
हाँ, मेरे को वही लगा कि इतना स्पीड है.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So we are almost home now. यहाँ से राइट एंड सीधा ½ किलोमीटर. तो होपफुली कल 50 किलोमीटर का राइड होगा. मे बी सेम रूट और डिफरेंट रूट, आई डोंट नो. बट विद दैट थॉट आई विल एंड द वीडियो हियर इटसेल्फ और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स योर थॉट्स, फीडबैक, जो भी आपको लगे बोलना हो. That will help me to improve the vlogging. And yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe it. Cheers. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.
It sound right, boys.